Yo, look what we got, guys. We got the Mazda finally finding time in my schedule to start chipping away at this thing. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is going to be the first series of Shed 002. As you can see, this is the old engine that I blew up. Actually blew it in a few spaces. Let me give you the tour, guys. Nice hole right there. There's another hole right there on the oil pan. It seems that this thing blew in a few spots. So I'm actually interested to pull the motor and then actually look around for the damage, see what it did. But no, I did not know that it blew in the front on the oil pan and right here as well. So that's news to me. This thing took a beating, but no, we're gonna keep chipping away at it. Sorry I didn't start this video when I originally started on the car. It was late and the lighting wasn't really good anyway, so I said, screw it, I'll start tomorrow. So here we are. We just got the main harness off. This was easy except for on the Gen 2s. I don't know why. I took the fender off because I figured it'd be easier, but there's like a sensor that plugged in somewhere under here. It's deep in there now. I'm not sure what that goes to, so if you're watching this video and you know what that goes to, please let me know, because it wasn't the one that goes to this line here, because that was the only one I thought there was, and I thought it was just being caught up by some clips, but apparently there was another wire. It was like under the frame rail, so I don't know what that was about, but this is what we got. I still have to drain the oil, and then we got that main harness out of the way. I think we have to take this harness off as well. This is my first time removing the engine, so I'm just going at it as I learn, and as Tim, David, Ken, Nick, and Phil tell me what to do. So this is a first for me. I wanted to document this though, because taking out an engine, it's always been a goal of mine to be able to just take an engine out. And now we're doing it, so this is awesome. But I think what we have to do is fish out this other harness here that goes to the ECU. So I'm going to do that, work on that. I'm just going to start taking things apart, label everything that you unplug. So when you go to put the car back together, you're not scrambling around thinking where does this go? I'm excited to get the motor in. This is also just kind of fun because it's just tearing apart the car. Where do we start? I guess I'm just going to start on that EVCS. Just follow that harness. And then after that, we'll probably drain the oil and take off the fuel lines. And then, yeah, we'll chip away at it. But stay tuned, grab some popcorn or shit, and yeah. We got the main harness off. We got the second main harness off, except for the alternator. There's 2 more cables down there. 2 out of the 3 that I need to take off from that. After that, it's just the downpipe, fuel lines, and after that, I think I got everything else. After that, I think it's just the motor mounts and pull the motor. I think I got everything. All these are out of the way. All the cables. Like I said, I have never done this before, but I think I got everything out of the way to be able to pull the motor out. So I think in the next clip we'll be maybe trucking it over to Tim's uncle's because he has a lift and an engine hoist. I don't have an engine hoist here. So we're gonna have to do that. Actually, I probably could use the Kubota, but no, that's ghetto. We're gonna go with the engine hoist. Do it as a professional as possible. That's the end of today, guys. Now I gotta go process some lobster bait because I chose that lifestyle. But more updates soon to come on the Speed. I want to get this thing out of the car and out of this garage so then I can work on my truck, because you always have something to work on, it seems like. But that's going to end today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
Come on, pal. Hell yeah!
Yo.
Hell yeah, brother. Alright. Alright.
She's out.
That's an engine, brother.
Let me, let's just go.
Raise Neil. Raise Hill.
Let's check out this hole, everyone. Oh my god. Holy shit.
That's a pretty good one. See that, Tim?
Yeah.
Jeez. What is that?
Your flywheel.
This?
Yeah.
Wow.
Let me see.